charity, so please do support the official outlets for all the wonderful LED and glowing things and everything that flashes and sparkles and glows. Don't forget, of course, that the display is due to go off at 7:45, so just looking, we've just got over 22 minutes yet to go. And from what we can see here up in the commentary control, we have an absolutely huge crowd building up this year. We had a fantastic crowd last year, and it looks like we're going to exceed that by thousands by the look of it. Don't forget, of course, as with last year, we don't charge you lots of money to come and watch the display. For those of you that went to Cardiff on Saturday, it was a bit wet and a bit muddy underfoot at Cooper's Field, and people were playing.
Colin Farrell was quite there from that Witchell, the one you fancy.
No, I don't fancy him.
Please,
my camera's on.
Put some donations in the Rotary Club bucket. There's lots of collection buckets around. You can't miss the Rotary Club collectors with the Rotary tab out on. You can see it with the big wheel on the front. Please support this event. Obviously, we like to keep this event running.
I don't know.
As I say, this is the 39th year this event has run. We haven't been at Barry Island, of course, for 39 years, for many years. We were at Romley Park, and we outgrew Romley Park. We then moved over to the Nap for a number of years, which was, let's say, a bit dismal over there. Not a very nice location. And of course, we have settled on Barry Island for quite a number of years now. So please do put money in the bucket. It does ensure this event continues to go on. Of course, fireworks cost ever more these days, so I can tell you there's many thousands of pounds of the fireworks going up tonight. So please do support the Rotary Club of Barry. We will keep you posted as we come closer to the firing time. Could I also just very quickly...
Yeah, Siobhan. Pat, look at it.
How did they get you? How did they get you?